from the great outdoors. This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, June 2nd, 2022. Work is well underway on the fire-stricken funnel of Carnival Freedom. The starboard side of the ship's iconic whale tail caught fire last Thursday while the ship was docked in Grand Turk, and it was put out quickly with no injuries. Initial repair work began while Freedom was still docked in Grand Turk last week. However, further repairs are now being done at a shipyard in Freeport, Bahamas. The vessel was on a 5-night cruise out of Port Canaveral when it caught fire. The next available sailing to book on Carnival Freedom as of right now is June 11th. And Royal Caribbean and Celebrity Cruises have dropped future cruise credit expiration dates. For both future and current credits on guest accounts, credits will never expire. However, credits over 100% received during the cruise industry shutdown, anything over 100% will maintain its expiration date. So if you received a future cruise credit of 125%, the 100% will never expire, but the 25% over that will. A little confusing, but it's a good thing, I promise. And as construction continues on Royal Caribbean's first Icon-class ship, the cruise line has shared a video of that mysterious sphere that'll be found on board. The line posted a YouTube video that shows additional construction on the sphere structure for the Icon of the Seas, a first ever for Royal Caribbean. Aside from the photos and video, Royal Caribbean has not shared any further details on what the top deck installation is or what it will be called. Icon of the Seas will be powered by liquefied natural gas and is set to debut next year. And cruise line stocks were down on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation down 3%, 13.47. Royal Caribbean down 4.3%, 55.57. And Norwegian down 4.5%, 15.29. Breaking news and this week's podcast, a review of Celebrity Reflection at cruiseradio.net. Here in Salt Lake City, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.